Oh God, oh God. Oh baby, oh baby. Oh boy. What's up, boys? We're on our way to Cathy's Creek. Well, we aren't literally on our way, but like we're about to go headed up towards Cathy's Creek, okay, boys?
We're inside the shop right now. Hello.
It's about time to go. It's gonna be game on. So we got the bikes packed up, everything, the camper's all packed. There you go, boys. This is the first camping motocross race trip of the year. We're gonna give it a dangle. There's a big old lake up there. We're gonna give it a dangle in that.
Guess what, boys?
I don't see very much of that, but I mean, yeah.
Boys, guess what?
We're gonna vlog all this crap and let's do it. See you there. What's up, boys? We're down here at Cathy's Creek. We got the Goon Squad here. Most of the Goon Squad. We're down here. We've all did one moto. If you can hear me.
Two there, got it.
Oh yeah, we've all did two. Yeah, we've all did two. I'm about to go out here at number 7 and throw on the GoPro. Get you guys out there. It's pretty gnarly. All the conditions are pretty dang good. The roads are pretty good. There was like 6 guys that just went down right over there. And the floor they're all at. They all like piled up. Like you can pile up. But dirt bike pile up. There you go. But yeah, we're gonna get this thing put on the helmet and we're gonna give it a dangle. What you laughing at, bud?
Yeah, bud.
Let's do it. What's up, boys? It is Sunday after the race. We just got home. It is dark outside. What time is it? Let me check real quick. Maybe if I can. I can't. It's probably about 8, 9 o'clock right now. Yeah, so as you can tell at the end of that lap right there, at the end of that video, I went down. And you're probably wondering, why the flip did he try and hit the rut like that? Well, I did a very, dumb move, I guess you could say. It's pretty stupid. It's a pretty stupid move, okay? So, if you can tell, in the same rut that I was going into, there was a guy down, okay? So I figured, you know what? That guy right there is down. I'm gonna jump out of this rut real quick. That's what I thought I was gonna do. That did not happen. I hit it, went to jump it, sent me down. My foot went like, so my foot went like this right here, okay? Handlebar hit right here. Bent my knee backwards, and that's where I start going, ooh baby, ooh baby, ooh baby. That's what that's from. That's what that's from. Okay, because of the pain. I laid there for probably another 2 minutes, probably because it hurt so dang bad. Got up, drug my bike across the dang ruts, got my helmet back on, and finished the dang meadow. But that right there hurt so bad, very, very, very bad. I can't even explain it. It hurt very badly. Then the next lap, I went down through there, rode down the hill, and fell off in a big old ditch right in the exact same turn. Don't know how I did that, but it was tough. Okay. With that all that being said, I hope you guys have a fantastic evening, day, whatever it is, whenever you're watching this. Stay positive, subscribe because you know you want to, and hit the like button. Let's get this video to 5 likes. I think that's a good goal to hit. I think we can do it. Let's see if it can happen. Yeah, yes, go watch it. Peace.